Gage, this is Will Hood. This is your safety supervisor, and today he's going to be teaching you how to use the angle grinder.
Okay.
All right, Gage. So what you want to do is you want to make sure you have your safety glasses on, and always wear this face mask when you go to grind. All right, so here's the grinder. You need, every time you start, or before you start grinding, you need to check the wheel for any flaws, any cracks, anything. This here is the shield on the wheel. You need to keep this away from your body so your loose clothes don't get sucked up in there. And this is the handle. You always need a handle and a shield on there.
The reason for having that handle is so you get a good steady hard grip on it and it can't slip from you. And always make sure you tuck your shirt in, because if you don't, the shirt could get caught on the grinder and be fatal. Good job.
You okay?
Yeah.
Come on, put this on there. Come on, we gotta go to the hospital.
And that's why you always practice safety when you're working with a grinder.